Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Ghana Niger Ballers. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today we're talking about the Ghanaian players who have impressed today. Yesterday we saw that Antoine Semenyo grabbed the headlines. Despite getting racially abused, he scored 2 goals for Bournemouth in that 4-2 defeat against Liverpool. Today we'll talk about Mohammed Kudus. We'll talk about Brandon Thomas-Asante. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Mohammed Kudus got a standing ovation when he was subbed off for Tottenham today. He made 2 incredible assists to Richarlison. The first one was sublime. Second one was even much better. Contender for goal of the month. After Semenyo scored that solo goal yesterday, today Richarlison has topped that goal with a very, very wonderful acrobatic kick to give Tottenham 2-0 lead before the third goal was scored by Brennan Johnson. It's actually incredible that Mohammed Kudus is actually settling in well at Tottenham, because I thought he was going to struggle a little bit, but the fans enjoyed him because he helps in attack, helps in the midfield, and also helps in the defense. He's a very good player, all around hard worker, and that is the reason Frank Thomas made sure that Tottenham do all they can to sign Mohammed Kudus. I know West Ham fans, when he was there, he wasn't that appreciated because he wasn't scoring and assisting the way everyone expected. I think he wasn't appreciated enough. Now he's gone, they are going to miss him because, you know, you don't know the value of something you have until you lose it. So you can see that Mohammed Kudus has elevated the performance of Tottenham, and he has been the player who is partnering very well with Richarlison. Richarlison will be extremely happy that Mohammed Kudus is the one providing the goals for him, because he's been struggling, you know, since he joined Tottenham. So I think he has to create a bond with Mohammed Kudus so both of them understand themselves going forward into the English Premier League. I think Mohammed Kudus will score more goals. He will make some assists, several assists, because he has the quality, and Tottenham will be very happy that they got their man. I'm extremely pleased with the performance of Mohammed Kudus. I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about his performance today against Burnley? Let me know in the comment section. Then we move over to Brandon Thomas-Asante, who scored his first goal of the season as Coventry City beat Derby County 5-3 in the championship. Actually incredible that he has continued with his Unity Cup form, and he scored his first goal for Ghana in the Unity Cup. Now he has scored his first goal of the season for Coventry, starting this season on a beautiful note. All these players performing well is good news for the Ghana Black Stars, because when the World Cup qualifier starts next month, those players who be coming in handy for Otuado and his technical team. So I'm extremely pleased that Mohammed Kudus, Brandon Thomas-Asante, they have helped their team today. So I think it's very good news for Ghana. Ghana will have to, you know, make these players move their performance into the national team. If these players carry the performance into the national team, I think the Ghana national team will be unstoppable. I'd like to know your thoughts. What are you expecting from other players? Elsewhere, Jordan Ayew and Abdul Fattah suffered defeat with Leicester, as Leicester suffered a 2-1 shocking defeat against Preston. It was a very shocking defeat because no one expected Preston to beat Leicester City. I think it would be very harsh to say that things are not working for Leicester because it's too early, but I think they should have done better against Preston. Abdul Fattah and Jordan Ayew featured in that game, and they couldn't beat Preston United. So that is all I have for you today. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.